Hey you guys, I am surprising you today with the Make It With Mandy again on a Wednesday. I know that's crazy because I say and I promise that they're gonna be on Tuesdays and Fridays, and once the store is up and running, they totally will be on Tuesdays and Fridays. But today is Wednesday and we have a very special Make It With Mandy. I created a file just for you guys this morning. I'm giving it to you so you get to have it. It's in the link. And then I also have a very exciting announcement to make. We are now carrying the new Siser metal. There are 4 colors. They are brilliant. You guys, this morning I'm gonna show you exactly how to use them and what not to do and what to do to make gorgeous shirts with this very cool foil-like looking media. It is phenomenal. It's gorgeous. This is the new Tiger Lily. This is the new bronze. That's silver and gold. 4 colors. They're on the website now, and it's so fun to use. I will tell you, I have never ever tried foil. I haven't, because it looked really, really complicated, and I know that some people don't have like super good results with it. So I have stayed away from it, just putting it off and saying, I'm gonna do foil, I'm gonna do foil. Guess what, you guys? Metal is not just like foil. In fact, you cut it just like Easy Weed. So that's what's so exciting. Hi, Tara, good morning. Hey, Dawn and Libby. I'm doing a surprise Make It With Mandy again on a Wednesday morning. We have such a big day today, but I wanted to show you guys that number one, I put it on the website. It's always a big celebration whenever I put something on the website because it takes me so long to do it. So, and this is so much fun. I'm giving you guys this file. This one says tacos. I know it's backwards for you right now, but you're gonna see it in a second the other way. And I also made one that says fries. So the reason I did that is because JJ, my daughter, is a vegetarian. But for her, that doesn't mean that she's eating more vegetables. That actually means that she's eating a ton of French fries. For real. So as she navigates her new vegetarianism that she's doing, she's a pescatarian actually. I think that means that she eats fish. But anyway, she's eating a lot of French fries. She loves French fries. She asks for them every single day, and it's a constant struggle. She's 16. She knows better. So, but for Valentine's Day, because she's a teenager, I wanted to make her a cool shirt that she'd actually want to wear, right? That's always our struggle. And I know that she's going to love this. So I'm going to make one. I'm going to put it on navy for her. So we're going to do that together. I've already cut it. I wanted to tell you a few things about it. So while I'm weeding it for you guys, because I know how much you love to watch me weed, I'm gonna tell you a few things about the Siser metal, okay? To start off, it is the CPSIA, I think that's how you say it. It's the child certification. So it's also, like the other Siser products, it's safe for kiddos. It's layerable. How fun is that? And it's still iron friendly, okay? So I have the directions on the website as well now on the listing. And okay, let's get started. This is gonna be fun. You guys are gonna love this. You're getting this file for free. It's in the Make It With Mandy folder. I've put that on there, so don't you worry. There are just a few little differences, so this video is gonna be really great for you guys to watch if you've been interested in metal, because it truly is a really cool product. I'm very excited that we're finally doing it. So this is my shirt. I made it with the Tiger Lily, of course, because I love, pink. So let's go ahead and weed this, you guys. Okay, so mine says tacos, but JJ's says fries, okay? Now, I bet the first thing you're wondering is if, oh, you love my lovely nails. See, I told you guys, I am not perfect at all. Like, I have many flaws. But, okay, so this I cut on HTV Smooth, which means I use the same exact cut settings that I use with regular Easy Weed and electric. So I just stayed right on HTV Smooth and it did just fine. Now I will tell you, I tried first HTV Metallic and it cut all the way through. So we do not need to use HTV Metallic for this, okay? So you're gonna put it pretty side down, okay, so the glossy side down, and you're going to mirror cut it because we're cutting from the back of the material just like any other solid color that we typically do. Now, if you guys were probably thinking the same thing, but if you were really, really thrifty, you can try to save the negative space, or no, the positive space of this and put it onto something as well. I tried to, but I was in a hurry and I didn't do a very good job. So I tried to do it with my tacos to show you guys. But if you're really careful, you can make 2 shirts out of this one little square. That's what's really cool. Okay, so far we have fries, and look how pretty it's gonna be. It's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna preheat our shirt just like we always do. Okay, let's see if we can find a happy place. You're gonna see like my belly for a second, like not for real. I'm not gonna really show you my belly. I'm just gonna show you guys this little bit of view so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is a Bella canvas tee. It is a small, which she's gonna be mad because she loves bigger shirts for some reason. She's tiny, but she likes big, but that's okay. We'll just deal with that later. And I'm just gonna give it a preheat just like we always do, okay? So I'm just gonna press it for a few seconds. I saw on our live from last night that Jerry said, that one of our customers said that if you press it for longer, if it's a cotton, 100% cotton shirt, it will help with the shrinkage in the dryer. And that makes so much sense. Bella Canvas though is 100% cotton. So if you press it for a longer time, and we have Teflon on it, then maybe that will help it not shrink up too much. But these should be pre-shrunk, to be honest with you, because that's what these are for. Okay, these are for decoration. So Bella Canvas, they know what we're supposed to do. Okay, so we're gonna place this down. Let me place it down really quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I've placed it down, okay. And this file kind of goes a little bit, let me show you. It's gonna go a little bit to the side. Like you can put it straight up and down, but it's a conversation heart, if you didn't know. And basically I have it a little tilted, okay? So it did take me a while to place mine. I was like, how do I do this? And it took me a while to decide on it. And you guys know I'm not typically that picky, but I wanted just the right angle, and for JJ's especially. She likes hers a little further down. I typically do them a little closer, but she likes hers a little further down. So this is what I'm gonna decide on, and then you guys are gonna see this gorgeousness. Now, let me tell you something that's different about, let me look at it. I'm looking at the collar right now, you guys, to make sure it's center, and I'm not really pleased with where it is. So that's what I do to center it, is look at the collar and just go straight down. That's my favorite little trick, because sometimes the shirt is not symmetrical. You guys know that these shirts sometimes are not symmetrical. Okay, let me tell you the difference. It is 305, okay? Let me get you up here. 305 for 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm gonna go my 15 seconds because you do need to go the full amount of time because we're just doing this one layer, and then it's cold peel. If you do not cold peel, if you hot peel, it will like pull up pieces of the metal. It will be ugly, okay? So you must cold peel, okay? And then I'll cold peel in a second. We'll get it extra cold for us. Let me pull you up a little bit. Sorry, guys. My Archon seems to have gotten a little bit, like, used to me now, and so it like falls down gradually, so it like does this. That's my tripod that I use. Okay, so we're letting this cool. You can do the cold peel dance where you're like waving it around and cold peeling, or you can lay something nice and cold on top of it. Here's a cup. So last night that's what I was doing. I was rolling the cups because they're cold, or you can put it on a cold surface of some sort, but I can tell this is definitely cooling it off. And then somebody said a tile, and I keep meaning to bring a tile in here so I can just lay it on there, but just remember, metal is cold peel. And just try your very hardest to remember that, because if you mess up with that, it's not like the others. Because like I'm just wrapping it around this. With strip flock, it doesn't mess anything up. It just comes up. Like it doesn't, if it's a cold peel. But this actually will mess up the metal. So you want to make sure it truly is ready to be peeled. How is everybody doing? While we're waiting for this to for sure be ready to pull off so we don't hurt it. My cat's name is Tiger Lily. That's awesome. That's okay, Alyssa. Metal will be on there forever, okay? This is an awesome product. We love it. So don't worry. It'll be there the next time, okay? Also, since we're talking about new products, I've also added new electric colors. Siser electric colors are phenomenal. And it has its own little thing. So if you just get in there and search electric, you can find electric cherry, which is my favorite, electric pink, almost all of them, all of my favorite ones. So you guys get on there and explore some of the new stuff I've put on there. We're adding more and more. We will eventually get to the whole line. It's just a matter of, having time for everything. Okay. So I am pretty sure that this is ready to take off. And I want to turn you guys around so you can see it. Oh, not that way. I always do that now. It's so funny. I'm going to flip the camera for you. Okay. And then we're going to peel this so you guys see how pretty it is. Okay, so this is JJ's shirt. She's a teenager. She's going to love this. Remember, you guys get this for free today. I am putting it in the Make It With Mandy, and it's a perfect teenager or non-teenager Valentine's shirt. And then plus, it'll be great later too, because mine says tacos because I love tacos. And you just carefully pull it up, and then voila. Guys, this is gorgeous. What do you guys think? Whoa. Yes, I sure will, Miss Amanda. It will all be in the store. So there's JJ's shirt. Fries. It was either between this or fries before guys, because she totally loves fries. I can't even tell you. Like, I've never seen somebody love French fries so much. I love them too. You're welcome. Great. Which one will they? Now, what are you guys gonna make? The tacos or the fries? Tell me. You get both options in the file, so don't worry. I knew that you guys would probably not have time to get in before Valentine's Day tomorrow, but it'll be great with any solid or pattern. I want to see all the variances if you guys decide to do these, because they are gorgeous. And this is gonna it's just a really fun, simple file. So tacos, yeah, I'm a tacos girl. I wanted to do this yesterday for Taco Tuesday. We also have a tacos pattern that I've been dying to roll out. It's just time. So we'll get there. We will get there. But this in the tacos pattern, or this in the tacos pattern, would be so cute. And this shirt, you guys, came from Old Navy. It's one of their like luxe shirts. Both, I know, fries and tacos, right? Okay, you guys, so that's how you use metal. Let's go over the top points really quick. It is a cold peel, most importantly. It's 305 is the temperature, 10 to 15 seconds. You can layer it. Let's see what else. You're gonna mirror cut. You're gonna cut it just like you cut Easy Weed. I use the same cut settings as Easy Weed, which was really cool. It's very thin, and it makes a beautiful product. Let me show you, or beautiful project. Let me show you your colors. You have gold. Okay, and they come in a 12 by 20 sheet, and it's very inexpensive. $3.49 for a 12 by 20 sheet. Crazy. And that's until MAP goes up. Prices oh, by the way, get some Siser soon, because March, Siser they're pushing all their prices up, and so we have to push all of our prices up. We have to. Like, it's a have to thing. It's called MAP pricing, silver. So you guys need to stock up while you can. Tiger Lily and bronze, okay, which is kind of like a copper color. I love it. It's gorgeous. So yes, I need to send out an email so you guys know that. But in March, we have to push our prices up. It's not fun. I hate doing it. But that's just one of those things that happens with business. We got to do it. So it's not much. Don't worry. Don't freak out. but if you want to get some, grab some, stock up right now. Okay. Okay. If we ungroup it, will we be able to take out the word so we can use it on our own? Sure. Yeah. Go ahead. With my files, you guys, when I make them and I say I make them, you guys are welcome to make it your own. That is not our main thing. We don't make files for our main thing, and so it doesn't bother me, and these are also always commercial use. So if you wanted to sell this, not the file, but if you wanted to sell a finished item with it, totally, absolutely you may. So I want to see pictures though. That's what I ask. I want to see pictures. So if you want to put something else in this conversation heart, you totally, absolutely can. And this is Beechwood. It's one of my favorite fonts, okay? Beechwood. Okay. Love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys loved the metal, because I am in love with it, and I think you guys will be too. It's in stock now, so grab it if you want. Electric colors as well. And yeah, that's all. That's all for now. I have a big day, of course, as always. Ruffle sleeve shirt. That came from Old Navy as well, Bridget. That came from Old Navy. And they did have it on the website the last I looked, okay? Yes, it could be chocolate. That would be cool. And you could do like copper and chocolate. That would be so cool. Yes, pizza would be a good one. So many. Have a good day, you guys. Thank you for joining me. Links are in this post, okay?